Thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another video. I have a review this time. As you can see there, I'm going to be going over the my new Lukas palette, and it says the Aquarell 1862. This is a professional watercolor set, and I just wanted to show it comes in this nice box when you first get them, and some information on the back. And if anybody didn't know, this is a German brand. So you get your standard black case here with the name and a little logo, and then your ring on the back. And I have been using this because I wanted to give not just a first impressions, but a more thorough review. So I have some swatches here, and I will go over the colors that are included. So we have the white, the lemon yellow, the cadmium yellow light, yellow ochre, Indian yellow, permanent yellow deep, the cad red light, permanent red, the alizarin crimson, magenta violet, ultramarine light, Prussian, phthalo blue, cyan, May green, the chromium oxide green, phthalo green, olive, an English red light, burnt umber, raw umber, and then the Payne's gray and black. So there's good wide variety of colors there, and I have a separate chart here that I made with the actual names, and then this one is just for my palette, and I keep these like in a separate folder with all my other brands and charts and everything. And let's see, I am really happy with this palette. You can see even through the swatches here, the colors are bright and vivid, and they are nice and transparent. I would say this is definitely more of like a classical watercolor. I will show a couple examples here so you can see the actual artwork and not just swatches. Let's see, I have this one in my art journal here with the nice blues. And then this was just a sunflower doodle. And then I have a bigger floral piece where you can really tell, as I was saying, that there's nice flow and nice transparency, but this is definitely more of like a classical watercolor look. I'll just show you an example. Instead of, I use a lot of white nights as well, but I just want to show the difference. See, this is the white nights. These are a lot more opaque and a little bit more vibrant, just so you can see the difference. But I enjoy using different types of watercolor. I think it just adds to your artwork. And depending on what kind of mood you're in, sometimes you like something a little bit more classical, sometimes something a little bit more fun and maybe opaque and vibrant. But these are still vibrant as well. You can really see like the yellow and the blue, even the orange. I like the way this one flows together. And they layer really well. And yeah, they're definitely worth it. Also, too, if you're looking for a professional set, the Lukas is a little bit more affordable than some of the other brands. This one is from Jerry's Artorama. And I think it was I can put a link down below. I think it was 80, 86, something like that. But the regular retail was almost 120. So they do offer a sale price. One thing I wanted to add in as well, that I think that these are very similar to my professional Schminke set. I have different colors in this palette because I picked out them on my own, and then I still have a couple spaces here, but as far as looks and quality, I think they're definitely right up there with the professional Schminke Horadam set, which is also another German brand. So I just wanted to throw that out there. Because maybe if you have Schminke already, or if you really like them, you'd probably like the Lukas set too. But that is it for today's quick review. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next time.